Hello, what's going on guys? So welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook. But before we getting started, I want to let you know guys, if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the tutorial. At first, all you need to do is you have to go to your Android or iOS device, then open up your Facebook. And after opening Facebook app, you have to go to create a story option. Alright, now after going there, you can see there is a poll option. Alright, so click on it, and here you can ask any kind of question you want. Just like let's say as an example, I am going to ask that which game should I play? Should I stream tonight? Okay, so this is the question for your poll, right? So I am selecting two options. One is Far Cry 3 and another is Far Cry 5. Okay, so yeah, after creating that poll, click on done, and then here you can see there is two options and you can select your privacy. And so yep, now what you need to do is you have to share to a story. All right, so that is it. And after that, you can check that whoever voted on your poll, right? So here you can see there is 100% vote on Far Cry 5. All right, so let's check out. As you guys can see, there is only one vote, and which belongs to Far Cry 5, so that should be 100%. Alright guys, so this is how you can create a poll on Facebook. I hope you guys understood, and if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.